In today's digital world, we're all accustomed to using a variety of software applications, whether for personal needs or managing our businesses. Integrating these different software tools can significantly enhance the efficiency, speed, and ease of your business processes. At VEVS, we understand the importance of seamless integrations, and we've made it simple for you to connect your favorite apps directly to your website. You can find these ready-to-use integrations in the Website menu under the Apps Integrations submenu. Here, you'll see a categorized list of available integrations, and it only takes a few clicks to connect your existing accounts to your VEVS website. One of the key integration categories is payment gateways. We offer 15 ready-to-use integrations with popular online payment companies. This feature is available for most VEVS products that support online bookings and payments. To activate these integrations, simply enter the required keys from your payment gateway accounts, and you'll be all set to accept card payments through your website. Another category is map providers. You can easily enable dynamic online maps on your website, powered by Google, OpenStreetMap, Mapbox, and others. This is perfect for displaying your office locations, landmarks, or any other important places. VEVS also allows you to send automatic and manual email notifications. But if you want to include SMS text messaging for specific events within your software, you can activate one of the integrated SMS service providers like Twilio, Clickatel, MessageBird, and more. Tracking website traffic and visitor interactions is essential for improving your content, SEO, and overall website performance. With VEVS, you can effortlessly add tracking codes from your preferred web traffic analytics software. Online chat software integrations are another great feature. Many customers today expect quick access to customer service, and the online chat function is a fantastic way to communicate with your clients while they're on your site. Some providers even offer comprehensive CRM solutions, which you can also integrate into your VEVS website with just a few clicks. Lastly, we offer the ability to integrate your third-party calendars and appointment booking applications, such as Google Calendar or Calendly, directly into your website. This ensures that the tools you use daily are seamlessly connected with your online presence. Additionally, you can integrate other external services not listed in our Ready integrations through the External Code feature, allowing you to add HTML and JavaScript code directly to your website pages. If you need more advanced integrations or API services with other software providers, our team is here to help. Don't hesitate to reach out to us for assistance in setting up your software.